Today we are exploring two of the most fun and unique experiences in Da Nang, starting with the famous coconut forest basket boat ride and then heading straight to the incredible world of wind wonders. First up, we are diving into the charm of the coconut forest, spinning basket boats and all that super chill vibe. If you are coming to Da Nang, then I'm sure this will be on your list. But is it worth it? Find out in this video. And after that peaceful river ride, we are switching modes completely because Wind Wonders is all about adventure rides, shows and the perfect dose of adrenaline. From cute themed zones to big scary roller coasters, we are doing it all today. Hello guys, this is Isha and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then I'm Isha, your guide and your friend for all your travels, whether in India or international. This is my Vietnam series, which is the 5th country that I have covered this year itself, which is in 2025. There are my previous videos from Vietnam, which covers the famous Bana Hills, my favorite Ninh Binh and the Halong Bay. So buckle up, hit that like button and let's start our Da Nang Adventure Day.
Alright, so yesterday was a lot of fun, a lot of adventure. Today we were supposed to go for the coconut forest along with the Hoi An tour, but change of plans. Now we are going to Wind Wonders, and which is again a theme park, very famous with a lot of activities. They also have like river safari and regular safari, so I'm really looking forward to that. And right now I'm just having my breakfast. This is all I could find in the vegetarian section. Already running late. The tour guide must be waiting down for me. So we're gonna quickly finish this and head there. And let's see you all there.
The ride from my Da Nang hotel to the coconut forest boat ride was roughly around 40 minutes by car.
Here for the coconut forest boat ride experience, which is going to take roughly around 30 to 35 minutes. Spinning boats, crab fishing and dance battles in water. Let me take you to coconut forest boat ride.
Talking of the price for this boat ride experience is going to be 1,50,000 Vietnamese dongs. This does not include any tips. Also, if you wish to go for the boat spin, then that's going to be additional as well.
Number one. Yeah. Xin chào. Alright, so that's the end of the coconut forest boat ride experience for me, which seems like a totally skippable experience. Definitely not one of the must tries, but yes, if you do have some time, you can give this a shot. I've ordered for this coconut and actually I was feeling very thirsty, but this is absolutely sweet and very cold, so I think you should try out the coconuts over here. Worth the experience. So here at the Wind Wonders Park, which is pure entertainment and fun, and the entry tickets cost around 6 lakh dongs per person, which includes most of the activities, but for a buggy ride you need to pay additional, which is 1,30,000 dongs per person.
The drive from the coconut forest boat ride to the Wind Wonders in Da Nang is again around 20 minutes. If you've seen the video initially, I was not planning to go to the Wind Wonders and we wanted to do the Hoi An city tour, but because of the flood situation and we were also kind of tired of seeing the pagoda, so we made a switch of plans and visited the Wind Wonders in Da Nang. Guys, it's extremely important that you wear comfortable walking shoes, carry an umbrella because it does get extremely sunny here. All through the trip it was very cloudy and rainy, but this one day it was particularly very sunny and thank God I had my umbrella. Also I was wearing my Crocs because there's definitely a lot of walking to do. Then there was this mini open zoo which had outdoor creatures like rabbits, pigs, sheeps. Again, a fun experience for little ones and children. This section covered a lot of reptiles and amphibians, and I was literally amazed to see a few species of snakes. I'm actually very scared of snakes. You can choose to feed the animals or birds, but it's an additional charge and you need to purchase the food stuff from there itself, which is one of the reasons that you're not allowed to carry any food inside Win Wonders. A water bottle shouldn't be a problem. The river safari is something that I was really looking forward to because it's a cute boat ride across the river, and you can of course get a glimpse of these huge animals like the giraffe, the zebra. They were also supposed to be tigers and lions, but because of the water situation they had been shifted to another zone. And again, you have an option to feed these animals as well at an additional charge of 1,50,000 dongs per person. Then there was this traditional paper making and painting making session wherein they showed us how they made papers and how the paintings were made of natural and organic colors. So this is the 4D show, and it's just my group, my guide and me for this show. So it's like a private screening for us, and that's how it looks. There are a lot of rides as well, both thrilling and non-adventurous for kids and adults. And then it was time for the famous bird show, which everyone was telling us not to miss because it's quite an entertaining show altogether. You get to see a lot of variety of birds and you get to also interact with them. They also have the water world, but because of shortage of time and I had to shop, I gave it a pass. I didn't want to get into water and make myself even more tired for the rest of the evening. Walking in the streets of the Da Nang Day Market, this is the iced coconut coffee. I am awaiting the famous banh mi here. It's going to be a vegetarian version though, which is usually prepared with a lot of meat. So looking forward to a really delicious vegetarian banh mi. So I just came by the beach right in front of my hotel for a walk and reflecting back on the entire experience. Few were hits and few were misses. I think what I will never forget is Ninh Binh, Halong Bay and Bana Hill. These three are my top recommendations in Vietnam, in Hanoi and Da Nang. And the others I felt are surely skippable. And other than that, the coffee I love, coconut coffee, the salt coffee, also the orange coffee. Talking about the food, I enjoyed the pho chay. Banh mi, not really, I don't think that's my cup of tea. People are quite helpful. Language is a problem. Keep a translator in your hand. Shopping is great, but not a lot of fashion. So basically, more of lifestyle products. I'm sure you will find them in a
great price. I am surely looking to come to Vietnam more often because it's very friendly place and doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. So yes, thank you so much. Let's see where our next destination is going to be. Take care and bye-bye.
Alright guys, this is almost coming to an end of the whole Vietnam series. This was the last but one video, and the next video is going to cover the Hanoi city tour. Of course, I'm going to be sharing a lot of information about all my travel, flights, visa. So make sure that you have subscribed so that you get notified about the latest video that's coming up. Thank you so much as always for all the love. Look forward to getting your feedback in the comment section. Lots of love. See you until next time.